Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. I am Cynthia Maynard, and today I am working with some Kuretake Graphite, the smoky graphite shadow colors. Here I have an Arteza art journal here of watercolor paper that is perforated. You can tear those out. I like the paper if you like cold press and textured paper. So I'm starting out. I've got my Jane Davenport naturals or neutrals, I think they're called. Just kind of making some faces, at least in my skin tone. Of course, you could use any skin tone for this, and that is a nice palette for that because you can make just about any skin tone you could possibly imagine, and that's the world, right? So, but I'm making her today like this. I'm giving her little blushy cheeks, and then I'm going in with that smoky purple. They are so pretty. I just spritzed those paints with a light mister, and just to activate them, and they're so pretty. So little wet on wet technique here, just dropping in more color to provide some shadow, and just have my little water jar there to the side. And then I wanted to give her flower hair because why not? Seems like it'd be easier to do flower hair, but than in real life. So just kind of, again, dropping in color into that already wet area, and with the blues and the purples. And I will leave links down below. Please hit like and subscribe. That will let YouTube know to push this video out. They tend to throttle if people don't engage. So that would be helpful for me. Thank you. Free and easy to do. But I do have links down below to products and my website and so forth. So going in now with some beautiful greens. I love the greens in this particular palette. It is so pretty and just rich and nuanced, and just has that lovely undertone to it. And so I'm going in with just some various leaves and things, trying to be careful not to let it bleed too much down into her face. Then we'll have a different skin tone. The green Martian people. But anyways, just filling out some hair here. At the end of the video, I will have a couple more pictures of some other girls that I did, and they are fun. So yeah, no arms on this one, guys. Sometimes I get comments from people and they're like, they have no arms. I'm like, well, I realize that. I painted it, but sometimes I'm just doing it for the look. So here's one, and the third one you saw me paint. So fun, lots of fun, color combos, different flower hairdos. Hope you try it out, guys. Maybe you need some art journal inspiration to pop in there. Thank you so much. Again, hit those links down below, and I hope that you have a blessed day.